IR 4.0. The fourth industrial revolution was introduced at 2016 at World Economic Forum. This fourth industrial revolution is also known as IR 4.0. This revolution takes place at 21st century. This IR 4.0 represents an increase in technological advancements such as 3D printing and AI intelligence. The internet plays a significant role in IR 4.0 because information can now be easily accessed. The internet enables machines to communicate to one another in order to improve the quality and efficiency of their work. This is also known as machine-to-machine or wireless technology. Decision making nowadays is heavily influenced by the internet. It is safe to say that technology has now become a fundamental part of our daily life and has impacted a physical, biological, and technological worlds.
In Malaysia, the National Fourth Industrial Revolution, aka 4IR policy, was put into place by our former Prime Minister Tan Sri Dato' Haji Muhyiddin bin Haji Muhammad Yassin in order to get ready for the fourth industrialization. There are three main groups in the policy, which are business, society, and government, which is crucial for our topic. The plan to modernize the Malaysian government's administration has already been mentioned. Examples of this plan include the use of artificial intelligence to aid in decision making, blockchain to stop the leak of any national information, more potent internet, and other technologies.
Advantages of IR 4.0 in public administration is that technology increases workers' efficiency and productivity as a result of using software tools and mobile applications. This reduces the time consumption needed to complete tasks, leading to increased profitability. Next, to develop much more functional facilities in terms to improve technological advances, government had to increase the cyber security to ensure that confidential documentation and information will not be stolen or spread online.
Besides that, it also can help government manage by taking advantage of digitalization, because with all of the new technologies, the government can utilize them to increase the quality of public services efficiently. For instance, building apps or social media for public usage, or build and broad access to products and services to entirely new markets so that it can give the opportunities to people to learn and earn in new ways, as well as promote innovation in order to ensure the fast and high quality for citizens. Not only it can increase the productivity and efficiency, but also it can increase the quality of the processes, as well as bring in the advancement of new technologies in order to develop and strengthen the economic stability.
Other than that, the advantage that we can get here is new skill. New skill for public administration could improve their effectiveness and better preparedness for the future. Might also boost creativity to identify new challenge and act with innovative approaches. Other than that, it also can bring innovation opportunities into the public sector, improving interaction between government and also a citizen to the simplification of procedure and contribute to open a government, a right design of political institution, and rethinking the government more broadly could make political institution more attractive and efficient. Bye.
These are one of the negative impacts IR 4.0 towards public administration in Malaysia. Increasing difficulty of controlling information among the population. Information can spread quickly among the population. Social media such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook, where there are some restrictions on usage but very lax censorship rules for the app. The IR 4.0 will give the government nightmares because it will be more difficult to control how information spread among the people due to all the readily available technologies such as the internet.
From a legal perspective, the above issues will not take root as long as there is no permission from the authorities. If the news shared is accused as fake, the news will be investigated by the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Command, aka SKMM, Cybersecurity Malaysia, and Royal Malaysian Police, aka PDRM, through detailed procedures that may involve computer forensics and other methods. If the false news is spread over the internet, the suspect will be prosecuted according to Section 233 of the Communications and Multimedia Act 1998 for misusing broadband or the internet to spread false news or spread news that could endanger national security.
In addition, the fourth industrial revolution also have their drawbacks. This is the fact that there are still many shortcomings in our nation. The disruption of the traditional labour market brought on by the rise of low-skilled labour is one of the drawbacks of fourth industrial revolution. there aren't many people with high-level expertise.
Institutions and policies must be created and refined before the impact of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, which primarily focus on the institution and policies on science and technology in development and human resources in order to overcome this drawback. By doing this, Malaysia government can ensure that the country's low-skilled labour force is kept to a minimum. The government may potentially decide to discontinue higher education programs that do not address the Fourth Industrial Revolution.
In conclusion, the Fourth Industrial Revolution has given us a few good and bad impacts. We can see that by bringing modernization into a conventional world. Let's hope for the better future for us, citizens, and for our country, Malaysia.